Welcome to our video on creating a mosquito and flies repellent indoor garden for small spaces. If you're looking to bring greenery into your home while keeping pesky insects at bay, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll showcase 15 creative concepts for indoor garden corners that feature plants known for their natural pest-repelling properties. From vibrant basil and mint to calming lavender and citronella grass, these plants not only add beauty and freshness to your space, but also serve a functional purpose. Whether you're designing a cozy nook in your living room, kitchen, or even your bathroom, these ideas will help you turn any corner into a lush, insect-free retreat. Get ready to transform your small space with these practical, stylish, and natural solutions for a peaceful home. Idea number 1. Lush Lavender Retreat. This indoor garden corner exudes calm and elegance, featuring lush lavender plants in pristine white ceramic pots. The soft purple hues of the flowers create a serene visual contrast against the clean white containers. Wooden shelving with a natural finish adds warmth and texture, blending seamlessly with the minimalist decor. A soft ambient light bathes the area, highlighting the intricate details of the lavender blooms. The scent of lavender fills the air, not only relaxing the senses, but also acting as a natural repellent for mosquitoes and flies. The overall design is compact yet inviting, perfect for small spaces like an apartment nook or a quiet corner of your living room. This setup brings both beauty and practicality to your home, making it a peaceful retreat from daily life. Idea number 2. Citrus Haven with lemongrass and basil. This vibrant indoor garden combines style with practicality, featuring lemongrass and basil arranged in sleek black and gold planters. The rich green hues of the plants contrast beautifully with the modern containers, creating a visually striking display. A marble-topped surface adds a touch of luxury, while discreet LED grow lights ensure optimal growth for the plants. The scent of lemongrass and basil fills the air, their natural oils acting as powerful repellents against mosquitoes and flies. A compact watering system tucked neatly into the design makes maintenance effortless. This garden corner feels like a sophisticated sanctuary, offering a burst of greenery and functionality in a chic contemporary setting. Idea number 3. Minty Fresh Corner Oasis. This refreshing corner garden is a mint lover's dream, featuring lush peppermint and spearmint plants thriving in hanging glass planters. The clear containers showcase the roots and soil, adding an intriguing natural aesthetic to the display. A vertical trellis adorned with climbing vines adds height and visual interest, creating a sense of abundance in a compact space. Pebble flooring beneath the setup provides a grounding, tactile element that enhances the garden's organic feel. Sunlight streams through a nearby window, casting a natural glow that highlights the vibrant green leaves. The invigorating aroma of mint fills the air. Idea number 4. Marigold Glow Garden. This cozy indoor garden corner radiates warmth and charm, anchored by vibrant marigold blooms in shades of orange and yellow. The flowers sit in earthy terracotta pots, their rich tones complementing the rustic wooden shelves that display them. The setup feels inviting, with the soft glow of string fairy lights adding a magical ambience to the space. Beneath the plants, a jute rug introduces texture and a natural element, enhancing the earthy vibe. The marigolds not only brighten the area but also serve a functional purpose, as their strong scent is a natural deterrent to mosquitoes and flies. This garden is an ideal choice for small corners. Idea number 5. Rosemary and Rustic Elegance. This indoor garden corner combines rustic charm with herbal utility, featuring fragrant rosemary plants thriving in wooden crates and galvanized metal buckets. The distressed brick wall backdrop adds vintage character, making the space feel like a quaint countryside retreat. Overhead, bundles of dried herbs hang delicately, enhancing the organic and homely aesthetic. Soft lantern lighting casts a warm, inviting glow, emphasizing the textures and details of the setup. The rosemary plants, with their vibrant green sprigs, release a refreshing herbal scent that effectively keeps mosquitoes and flies at bay. This corner garden not only elevates your interior. Idea number 6. Citronella Chic. This minimalist indoor garden is a perfect blend of style and functionality, featuring citronella grass in clean, white planters. The tiered wooden stands elevate the plants, creating a layered look that maximizes space without cluttering the area. The bright corner, illuminated by natural light streaming through floor-to-ceiling windows, feels airy and modern. Sheer curtains soften the light, casting a gentle glow over the light gray flooring that anchors the setup. The citronella plants are not only visually pleasing but also serve as a natural mosquito repellent, releasing a subtle citrusy fragrance. Idea number 7. Eucalyptus Zen Corner. Step into Serenity with this eucalyptus-themed indoor garden corner that exudes spa-like tranquility. The eucalyptus plants are housed in sleek, matte black ceramic pots, their silvery green leaves adding a touch of elegance to the space. A bamboo screen provides a natural backdrop, enhancing the Zen vibe while offering privacy. Neutral-toned floor cushions invite you to sit and relax, while scented candles add a soothing glow and fragrance to the ambience. The eucalyptus plants emit a refreshing, clean scent that not only calms the senses, but also effectively deters mosquitoes and flies. Idea number 8. Basil Bliss Nook. This charming indoor garden is perfect for small spaces, featuring aromatic basil plants arranged on a multi-level wooden rack. The colorful ceramic pots add a playful touch, each one contributing a burst of personality to the display. Bright, natural-style lighting ensures the plants thrive while illuminating the vibrant greens of the basil leaves. Woven baskets provide additional storage for gardening tools, enhancing the corner's functionality. Small herb labels add a practical and decorative element, making it easy to identify each plant. The refreshing Idea number 9. Lemon Balm Serenity Spot. This serene indoor garden corner is a breath of fresh air, featuring cascading lemon balm plants in intricately woven macrame planters. The hanging design saves space while adding a dynamic bohemian touch to the room. The white brick wall backdrop enhances the fresh and airy ambience, its textured surface contrasting beautifully with the soft green leaves. Light wooden flooring grounds the setup with a natural feel, while pastel accents in nearby decor create a cohesive and inviting look. The lemon balm plants release a subtle lemony fragrance that fills the space, keeping mosquitoes and flies at bay while Idea number 10. Chrysanthemum Chic Corner. This chic indoor garden corner is a modern masterpiece, showcasing vibrant chrysanthemum blooms in metallic planters. The rich orange and yellow flowers pop beautifully against a sophisticated dark green accent wall, creating a striking visual contrast. Geometric tiles on the floor add a contemporary edge, their bold patterns anchoring the design with a sense of structure. Adjustable spotlights illuminate the chrysanthemums, highlighting their intricate petals and adding depth to the space. Idea number 11. Thyme and Terracotta Harmony. This rustic indoor garden corner brings the warmth of nature indoors, featuring fragrant thyme plants in classic terracotta pots. The earthy tones of the pots perfectly complement the rustic ladder shelf that houses them, creating a harmonious and inviting look. Soft sunlight filters through nearby windows, casting gentle shadows that highlight the texture of the natural stone accents and woven baskets. The thyme plants emit a subtle herbal aroma, effectively deterring mosquitoes and flies while enhancing the room's atmosphere. The overall setup feels cozy and organic, making Idea number 12. Citronella Grass Serenity. This serene indoor garden corner is a haven of calm and functionality, featuring lush citronella grass in sleek white planters. The minimalist design emphasizes simplicity, with clean lines and an uncluttered arrangement that feels airy and open. Bamboo flooring adds a warm, organic element to the space, grounding the design while maintaining its natural aesthetic. Soft green curtains filter the sunlight, casting a gentle glow over the vibrant greenery. The citronella grass not only adds a touch of tropical charm. Idea number 13. Geranium Glow. This rustic indoor garden corner is a vibrant celebration of color and charm, with bright pink and red geraniums taking center stage. Planted in vintage ceramic pots, the flowers evoke a sense of nostalgia and warmth. A distressed wooden table provides the perfect platform for the display, its weathered texture adding character to the arrangement. Small accent stones scattered across the table enhance the natural theme, while a string of warm fairy lights adds a magical glow to the setup. The geraniums are more than just beautiful. Their scent acts as a natural deterrent to mosquitoes and flies, making this garden as practical as it is picturesque. This corner is ideal for small spaces, infusing the Idea number 14. Scented Lemongrass Retreat. This industrial modern indoor garden corner combines sleek design with natural appeal, featuring vibrant lemongrass plants in tall matte gray planters. The clean lines of the planters complement the black metal shelf that houses the plants, creating a bold and sophisticated look. Concrete flooring ties the design together, its raw texture enhancing the urban aesthetic. Soft spotlighting highlights the lemongrass, emphasizing its vibrant green blades while creating a cozy ambience. The fresh, citrusy scent of the lemongrass permeates the air, acting as a natural insect repellent while adding an invigorating fragrance to the space. This design is ideal for contemporary interiors. Idea number 15. Pennyroyal and Pebble Zen. This Zen-inspired indoor garden corner offers a tranquil escape with pennyroyal plants thriving in black stone planters. The sleek, matte finish of the planters adds a contemporary touch, while the pebble-lined base introduces texture and a calming natural element. Small fountains placed strategically among the plants produce the gentle sound of flowing water, enhancing the peaceful ambience. The pennyroyal plants emit a minty aroma that naturally repels mosquitoes and flies, making this garden as functional as it is beautiful. Perfect for small spaces, this setup transforms any corner into a modern sanctuary that soothes